So let's see. And they're back and forth with, look at that, the Ten of Wands. I just had the Ten of Swords. Now I have the Ten of Wands. Somebody's upset and they're filled with a lot of regret because they feel like that's it. There's an ending to the two of you. There's no way that they're going to be able to get you back. And that's why they're being stubborn. Remember I told you there's a lot of pride and there's a lot of ego right now. You know, and they're having a hard time. Because I told y'all in the beginning, with this person coming back, this ego and their pride, that whole stubbornness thing they got going on, they got to stop it. Because they really want to be with you. You're their one true love. But they're having a hard time letting go of what they did to you in the past. Even though they're filled with regret, sadness, hurt, all of that. Something did catch my eye. Hold on, before I start shuffling. See, Justice was reversed at the bottom of the deck. So this person knows that they're going to have to come and speak their truth to you. Look at that. There's an offer coming in. Ooh, see what I'm saying? Do you see what I'm saying? There is an offer of love coming in. This person definitely wants to be in a commitment with you. Look at that. They love you. This person cares about you. You want to be with them. I don't care what you say. Deep down, you do, okay? And they want to be with you. See, there's another 10. What? I know I'm loud, y'all. Whatever. It's Sunday, okay? This person loves you, but the thing is, the Ten of Cups came out reversed. So with these two cards, this is someone that wants to start a new beginning with you. I told you guys, whoever I'm picking up on, they love you, they miss you, they want this to work. But due to what they did in the past and how they kept stabbing you in the back, remember I told you they're filled with a lot of regret. They're afraid that they're not going to be able to have this family with you. They're not going to be able to come one with you. So they're over here trying to manifest this new beginning with you. They're trying to stay positive, and see, Spirit is saying they need to come out of being frustrated because they want to give you this offer. See, they need to stop looking back on what took place in the past and move forward because they're coming. They're coming, okay? Y'all know I'm crazy. This person definitely wants to have a new opportunity with you. See? Oh my gosh. Angels are stepping in. This person wants to balance things out. Somebody could be dealing with a Sagittarius here. Tell me more. Ooh. Let me tell you something. The Six of Cups tried to jump out, and there's the Six of Wands. So either you have a family with this person, maybe this person has a family with someone else, and that's the holdup. Or it's like some type of family situation that's involved here, you know, why the two of you couldn't come together. But regardless, this person wants to have a victory with you. But see, they left you out in the cold. I told you there was a situation standing in the way. They left you out in the cold, and they know it. See, they had you waiting around, but with the Seven of Pentacles reversed, that's them getting out of that energy. They're coming back. They're moving forward with you. But the fact that I have two sevens here, somebody was holding on. Somebody, I feel like it was not you, but it's somebody on their end. Somebody was holding on to them very tight. And that's why they couldn't move forward with you. This is why they left you out in the cold. You could have been dealing with a Cancer. Tell me more. Yep. Because they feel like the seeds that they planted with you, it may not grow. But they learned their lesson. I told this person's coming. Y'all, this person is definitely coming. They learned their lesson. Cycle is over. See, they're coming out of being frustrated about everything that has taken place between the two of you. Okay. But they know that they hurt you. And they're afraid that you're not going to speak up. You know, you don't want to talk to them. See? That's why they're like, okay, I had you waiting around. I was in some type of third-party situation. Now I remove myself from this situation because I really don't want to lose you. See, I'm moving forward because I want to have a new beginning with you. Yes. Okay. See? Celebration. This person is coming. Y'all, they're going to ask you out. You know, I don't know where y'all going. Stuff is starting to open up. But, you know, they're coming back. You get what I'm trying to say. They're coming back. This person's coming back. They're going to ask you out. Like I said, I don't know where y'all going. But they're coming back, okay? And they know that you're not happy with them. They know this. They know this. See, y'all, these cards are so freaking slick. Hold on. I see how it landed. Oh, my gosh, it's going to make me drink. Okay. So, anyway, Four of Pentacles. So, this is telling me that this person definitely wants things to improve with you, okay? And they're going to have to move fast. Oh, somebody's going to be coming in. Somebody's about to be knocking. It's funny, I heard a knock. So, but they're in their head about it. And they're, okay, they're afraid when they come back and approach you, you two are going to get into it because they did a lot to you. This person definitely was being sneaky. Okay. Somebody could have been dealing with an Aquarius. Somebody could have been dealing with a Pisces. But regardless, it's like they're losing hope. And it's like they know that they're going to have to speak their truth to you, but they're having a hard time because they were being sneaky. See, they're going to have to make the effort. They got to put in the work to remove themselves from a toxic situation that they put themselves in. They also need to remove themselves. I feel it's like they need to let go of this fear that they have, because they're really feeling like you're going to shut them down. And for some of you, you might do it, okay? But it's like this is a part of their lesson. They need to come towards you and speak up. See? Look at that. I have the Ace of Cups reversed and the Ace of Pentacles. So this lets me know it's like they know you're not going to accept this offer until they come towards you, and or for some of you, until they remove themselves from another situation. But you have an offer coming in, and it is the one that you deserve. But see, they're not taking the leap. They want to. There was hesitation the way that card landed, but they're not taking the leap because, see, this person feels like you don't want to be in a commitment with them anymore. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio. Ooh, why did I say Scorpio? I'm looking at the devil. My head said Capricorn. My mouth said Scorpio. Somebody's dealing with a Scorpio. Another Scorpio here. But anyway, like I was trying to... And there's the King of Cups. You see what I'm saying? There's a water sign. I'm telling you, somebody's dealing with a Scorpio. But anyway... What I'm trying to say is somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus. But this person, they have a hard time opening up, speaking to you. Could be dealing with a Libra. But they're going to come and speak their truth. They have no choice. They're going to have to say something to you. So they made a decision. But right now, it's like they're realizing they didn't bring any type of stability into the situation. And this is why they're feeling like you don't want to build with them. Even though, yes, they're coming back. They want things to improve between the two of you. Could be dealing with an Aries. See? But the thing is, they're stuck trying to make this decision. They keep going back and forth because they stabbed you in the back one too many times. And that's the problem. That's the problem. Yep. This person, yeah, it's like they kept stabbing you in the back because they were in some type of codependent situation. They kept going back and forth between you and someone else. See, they didn't balance things out at all because of that. And that's why they're afraid that they lost you for good. They know your guard is up. Oops. They know your guard is up. And they're over here trying to make a decision, but this person could have had other options in the past as well. See, and they're going through a tower moment. They're going through their tower moment right now. And see, yep, there's a lot of regret, a lot of sadness, a lot of hurt right now. This person could be, I was about to say, going through something financially, see. Right now, they could be working hard on something pertaining to money because maybe they want their finance to improve. But see, I told you, they're going through lessons. Somebody's going through a lesson right now. Tell me more. And they're realizing that they don't want you to cut them off. You could be dealing with a Virgo, but they're starting to feel like they're not going to have this new beginning with you. Because somebody could be in some type of home situation, but with 1111 here, I feel like this person, they want to have a family with you. Yeah, they're confident. I'm telling you, this person knows what they want, who they want. Could have been dealing with a Gemini. But the thing is, they didn't do right by you. Okay, let's see. There's a lot of cards that came out. I heard keep it. So they didn't do right by you because they were not listening to their intuition in the past. You know, this person definitely could have been being a player. Like I said, running in and out of your life. They couldn't make up their mind. But I'm seeing that they're coming out of being frustrated. They're going to make a decision because they want to come back and turn things around with you. But see, look at that. I have two women here. And y'all know how I feel about my court cards. It could be two men. But the fact that I have two people here, this is why there's little to no communication. This was the problem. So somebody was standing in the way. You know, could have been some mother figure. Oh, shoot. Could have been three people. You see what I'm saying? It's too much. There was too much going on. So, Jesus. This is why you cut them off. This person was juggling between you, and I'm be honest, it was two other people. There are two people here outside of you, okay? This is why you had to let them go. Now, this could be like these two other people that I'm seeing here. It could be two family members. It could be like you, a family member, and a love interest. It could have been you and two other love interests, friends. You know what I'm saying? Like, take it however it fits because it's a lot of you. But, yeah, you had to let this person go. And they know it. And, see, at one point they felt stuck, and now they're coming back to make it right. But, see, they're still dragging their feet. They're dragging their feet. You know, because they didn't do, see, they know they didn't do right by you. That's why they don't have the strength to approach you just yet. See, because they don't have a peace of mind. They don't have a peace of mind yet. It's like they know what they did was wrong, And they have to basically drop that ego. They need to face, you know, the truth, which they're doing now. But the next step is coming towards you to tell you, I effed up, okay? Like, I'm sorry, you know, please, what can I do? Let me prove it to you, blah, 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 blah. You know, so they're not confused on who they want to be with. They're just moving a little slow. See? They're moving slow because they're afraid that you're going to walk away from them. See? You're not going to accept their offer. They have to speak their truth. They have to tell you, look, I want to have a new opportunity with you. You know, they're going to look at that. They're going to tell you they put an end to a situation either with like family, or they put a situation to an end when it pertains to like somebody from their past. But yeah, they're going to move fast. This person's going to rush back in to let you know that whatever situation that they were in, whoever that they were dealing with, whoever was standing in the way, they put an end to it because they don't want to lose you. And they got to move fast. Oh, this is good. Okay, so let's get you guys some advice. Let's just see what comes out. Top 20 cards. Okay, Spirit. So, for my Scorpios, what advice do you have for them, please? This person I'm picking up on. What advice do you have for my Scorpios? Top 20 cards. Alright, guys, let's see. Bottom of the deck, I have, sorry if y'all can't see that, Knight of Swords reverse. So, you're looking at him like, looking at him or her like, you moved a little too slow for me. I'm over it. See? You want someone that's confident, someone that's strong, okay? Someone who's not playing games. And you're like, no. Like, I'm coming out of feeling frustrated that I lost you because at one point, you guys didn't want to stand up for yourself. You didn't want to end the situation because you felt like you were going to lose this person for good. Like, you feel like whoever was standing in the way, by you standing up for yourself, by you saying something, was going to push them into the arms of someone else. Or basically, if it was family involved, it's like they won. You get what I'm saying? So now you guys are like, you know what, F that, I don't care. I'm confident in my direction, what I need to do. See? You're like, I'm tired of dealing with the situation that took place in the past. But see, you're back and forth with the Page of Swords. Y'all ain't done, okay? Because you still watch this person. You still watch them, okay? Some of y'all do. Majority of y'all do. But you still... You still look after this person here and there, but I do feel like you guys have been trying to, you know, your best to move on. See, you've been focusing on you. You know, you're like, I'm not worried about this situation as much like I was before. See, because you're like, I don't even want to build with him or her. Because I didn't see things improving. Tell me more. There's the 10 of Cups. Now it's like you guys could be focused on your money, your finances, you know, and you're like, I'm in a good space. But Spirit is saying you're not listening to your intuition. So yes, your job was to move forward, focus on you, focus on your money, your career, all of that, and heal. Because I am seeing that here. But when it comes to love, they're saying you're missing something. Let's see. Okay. Okay, let's see. It's like you really don't want to cut this person off, but you're like the seeds that were planted here, I don't see them growing. Yeah, you guys have an offer coming in from this person, and you're like, I don't even want to take it. Another 4 came out. Yeah, this is family. There was some type of family situation here, and you're like, nope, I'm putting an end to it. Maybe you guys have a family with this person, but you're still back and forth with judgment. Back and forth with judgment. Back and forth.